Hey guys, I'm Laura and today I'm going to share with you the new style that I like to wear, which is the two buns here and here on your head, like Scary Spice. Yeah, cool. Okay, so how I'm doing that is, first off, splitting my hair in the back into two sides. And I guess I'm going to show you what it looks like, but it's going to look like shit back there because my dreadlocks make like a really bad line, but whatever, don't care. Here we go, first side. So what I'm going to do is grab all my hair that I want for this side and I'm going to pull it up out from the spot that I want my bun to sit. So if I want my bun to sit here, which I do, I'm going to collect all my hair and pull it out from here. Likewise, if I wanted my bun to come from here, I would be pulling it down here. It's all about the elevation, all about direction. If I want it here, I put it here. I want it here. So I'm going to gather all of my hair and pull it right here. And just running my hands through my dreads. If you have regular hair, run your hands through your regular hair just to get everything as smooth as possible because I want this to look tight and I want it to look as kind of smooth as I can and pretty. There we go. So everything is collected into a spot here. And now what I'm going to do, because my hairs here tend to kind of want to fall down here and I want these to look like they're coming way back up there. What I'm going to do is grab these bottom hairs here, like the bottom few dreads here, and I'm just going to grab them and tightly pull them and wrap them way up here and just like pull them way back up here. Twist them around and then grab the rest of my hair and start twisting it. And twisting it and twisting it and trying to get the ends as smooth as possible. The tighter that you do this, the tighter your bun is going to look. And then once I start feeling that pull there, I'm going to let it drop down and make the twist that it wants to make. And then taking the ends and I'm going to pull them tight underneath the bun, way in at the base like that, and just make a nice tight little bun there. And then secure with an elastic like that. Third time. Yeah. Cute. There we go. Cool. It's there, placed in. And then I'm going to grab this and just secure it with a bobby pin so that it sticks up and shows off my undercut a little bit. There we go. One bun done. Okay, and then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to do the same thing with this side, which is so much thicker because I have all these old dreadlocks in here and they're super long. So this bun's going to be like twice as big as the other one, but whatever. And same thing, I'm going to grab it and pull it out from where I want it to go. You can kind of grab it and see if it matches the other spot. See? They look like they match, right? And so that's where I'm going to go. And then again, I'm going to grab these bottom ones here. And to show you, I'm just going to grab them and kind of pull them way up here. Just to try to get them going up there. Securing them. Wrapping them around. And then continuing to wrap the rest of this bun round and round until I feel got a little pull. Letting it drop naturally and then tucking all the ends as tightly as I can underneath at the base. Ugh. And then securing it. Here. And you can tuck any loose ends under or leave them out, whatever you like. There we go. This is looking pretty tight, Let's check the back. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Okay, and then, again, any loose hairs, there's a few little, making like a little rat tail back there. Grab them, pin them up. And then I'm going to put all the rest of my bangs here to the side. Put a little hairspray in there. Some hairspray in the back. And then, there's my bun style. And I love this style. It's so cute. I used to love this when I was a kid and I got into the Spice Girls. I was all into Scary Spice and she had these buns. Or maybe they all had the buns. I think it was like a late 90s, early 2000 thing. Anyway, there we go. Let me know how this worked out for you. Like it, subscribe, and check back to see what I do next week, guys. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.